Hello there. This is the strange and eerie tale of Mad Murdo McCluskey, Highland warrior who fought with terrible dragoons. Sometimes Murdo would wander the dark and chilly moors, hurling puddings at passers-by, who more often than not would number no more than none. Murdo would crouch down in the bracken, counting his puddings in the night in case someone should want to steal them. But no one ever did, except one day when loads of very tall invaders from across the seas arrived and said in strange tongues, "Here's your puddings, you daft old toad." And he did. No sense in being too precious about them. The strange invaders walked away, singing as they went. "We nick Murdo's puddings, we nick Murdo's puddings, a la la la, a la la la." Bye-bye, minor huge ones. See you next time. Ow. Idiot.
Let me just... Don't come near me. Now, in the words of the great poet Edwin Throat, where are my saucy dumplings, Mrs.? I must ask the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, do you find the defendant, Thomas the Breadfish, guilty or slightly lopsided?
Not really, my lord.
Will the defendant please stand and do his Roy Hudd impression? Better still, the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, why don't you all come round to my place and join me in a sensational buffet supper?
What's going on? Oh, take it easy, folks. Come on, don't overdo it. Come on, folks. Oh, too much gushing. They love me, though. What? Come on, answer that. Who was it? What? Hey, Bob, can you get that phone? We shouldn't have... Can you get the phone, Bob, please? No, can you get the phone? Yeah. Oh, I don't know, yeah. Okay. Well, there we go. Welcome to Giz the Dosh. Two contestants you've seen before. There he is, Smiling Eddie. We got him there. And that's a little clue as to our fantastic holiday that we're going to be giving away as a prize later on.
Ladies and gentlemen, my impression of an aeroplane lost in the fog at London Airport.
Hit him! Okay, Eddie. How are you, Eli? How you doing?
Well, I've not been very well lately. Well, the other Thursday, I went to my auntie's funeral. A fella came over to me and he said, "It's hardly worth your while going home, is it, lad?"
Oh, I'm sure I don't understand. Hey, I'm going to do it from here now, Bob, okay? Right, now then. Eddie, your question first. What am I doing?
Riding a bike.
Yes, that's good, nearly. Very good. Very good indeed. No, in fact, I wasn't riding a bike. I was doing something completely stupid. But nobody saw me do it. Okay, there I am. Get out of there. Get out of there, Bob. I don't want you in here as well. I just told you, answer the phone. It's better. The prize, the fantastic prize that we're going to be... Did you like it from here, Bob? And what has happened to the prize? Where is it? And here it is. Come on, you guys. Where is Barry? What is he doing? This is the prize, the fantastic prize, and you have to just...
This holiday...
Come on.
This will be somewhat of an adventure.
Come on, more information.
Husky dogs always seem to herald the adventure. Hotel.
Barry, I hate you. Okay. Thanks very much, you guys, for playing the game. I'm taking a little break now, but if you just want to step up to the podium, the things going on here you wouldn't believe. Okay, goodbye all now. Goodbye. Goodbye to you. Quick, we've got to get out of here, Jeff. It's desperate. Bye-bye, thank you.
I want to read out, it's like coming up with the Baines Paxton Council here on it, and Mary Poppins kicks again. I have the final band.